Have you ever stopped to wonder what the longest-lived animal on our planet is? For centuries, humans have been fascinated by the secret of long life, and we've always looked to the animal kingdom for clues. We've heard stories of turtles living for hundreds of years, whales outliving generations of humans, and tiny sea creatures surviving far longer than any land animal. Today, we're diving deep into this incredible question: which animal holds the title of the world's longest-lived creature? And most importantly, can any animal on Earth live for more than 500 years? If you've ever asked yourself these questions, you're in the right place. Let's start with the most common belief that almost everyone has heard: turtles are the longest-lived animals. It is a myth that's been passed down for generations, and it's easy to see why. Giant tortoises, like the Galapagos tortoise, are famous for their long lifespans. These gentle giants can easily live to be 150 years old, and some have even been recorded reaching 180 years. That's an astonishing age for a land animal, far longer than the average human life. But as impressive as 180 years, is it? It's not even close to 500 years. So turtles, while long-lived, are not the winners here. They're just the beginning of our journey into the world of extreme longevity. If we leave the land and head to the oceans, we start to find animals that push the limits of life far beyond what we thought possible. The ocean is a mysterious place, filled with creatures that have adapted to survive in the coldest, deepest, and most isolated parts of the planet. These extreme environments slow down life processes, allowing some animals to age at a rate that is almost unthinkable to us. One of the first ocean dwellers that shocks scientists with its lifespan is the Greenland shark. This massive, slow-moving shark lives in the cold, dark waters of the Arctic and North Atlantic Oceans. For years, researchers guessed its lifespan, but it wasn't until 2016 that a groundbreaking study revealed the truth. Scientists used radiocarbon dating on the eyes of Greenland sharks to determine their age, and the results were mind-blowing. The oldest Greenland shark they studied was estimated to be between 272 and 512 years old. That means some of these sharks could have been swimming in the oceans when Shakespeare was writing his plays, when the Mayflower sailed to America, and when the Industrial Revolution began. This shark doesn't reach sexual maturity until it is over 150 years old, and it moves so slowly through the cold water that its metabolism is barely active. The frigid water protects its cells from damage, and it has almost no natural predators in its deep-sea home. The Greenland shark comes incredibly close to the 500-year mark. Some individuals may even cross it. But is this shark the longest-lived animal? Not quite there, as a tiny sea creature that beats it by decades, and it's a creature you've probably never heard of. Meet the ocean quahog, Clam, a small, unassuming bivalve that lives on the seabed of the North Atlantic Ocean. This little clam is the true champion of longevity on Earth, and it holds the record for the oldest known individual animal ever discovered. In 2006, researchers from Bangor University in Wales collected a group of ocean quahog clams from the ocean floor off the coast of Iceland. When they examined one particular clam, they counted the growth rings on its shell, just like counting the rings on a tree, to determine its age. What they found left the entire scientific community stunned. This tiny clam, nicknamed Ming, after the Chinese dynasty that was ruling when it was born, was 507 years old. Let that sink in for a moment. Ming the clam was born in the year 1499. It was alive when Leonardo da Vinci was painting the Mona Lisa, when the Renaissance was in full swing, when the first colonies were being established in North America, and through every major event in human history for over 5 centuries. It lived through 39 US presidents, dozens of wars, and the entire rise of modern science and technology. And all this time, it was sitting quietly on the ocean floor, filtering plankton, and growing older, completely unknown to humans. Ming the clam proved beyond a doubt that there are animals on Earth that can live for more than 500 years. This small, simple sea creature shatters every idea we have about how long life can last. You might be wondering, how can a tiny clam live for over 500 years, while most animals only live a few decades? The secret lies in its biology and its environment. The ocean quahog clam lives in cold, stable water temperatures, which slow down its metabolic rate to an absolute minimum. A slow metabolism means less damage to cells and tissues, and a much lower risk of age-related diseases. Unlike humans and many other animals, the clam's cells show almost no signs of aging over time. Its shell grows a single thin ring every year, creating a permanent record of its long life. It has no brain, no complex organs, and a simple body structure that requires almost no energy to maintain. It spends its entire life buried in the sand, safe from storms, predators, and the chaos of the surface world. This perfect combination of environment and biology makes the ocean quahog clam the ultimate long liver. But Ming the clam isn't the only ocean quahog to reach this incredible age. Researchers have found many other individuals of this species that live to be 300,000, 400, and even 500 years old. This isn't a rare accident, it's a normal part of their life cycle. These clams are built to survive, and they've mastered the art of living for centuries. They're a reminder that the ocean holds secrets we're only just beginning to uncover, and that life on Earth can adapt to survive in ways we can barely imagine. Let's take a moment to compare the lifespans of some of Earth's most long-lived animals to put this into perspective. The Galapagos tortoise, 180 years. The bowhead whale, 200 years. The Greenland shark, up to 512 years. The ocean quahog clam, 507 plus years. And there are even more creatures that live for extraordinary lengths of time. The glass sponge, a simple sea sponge that lives in the deep ocean, can live for over 10,000 years. While it's not a single animal, in the same way as a clam or a shark, it's a living organism that survives for millennia. The immortal jellyfish, another ocean creature, can actually reverse its aging process and return to a juvenile state, making it biologically immortal. But when it comes to individual animals that have a confirmed recorded lifespan of over 500 years, the ocean quahog clam is the clear winner. This discovery changes everything we thought we knew about aging and longevity. For years, scientists focused on land animals and large marine mammals to study long life. But the secret to living for centuries is found in a small, humble clam. It teaches us that longevity isn't about size, strength, or intelligence. It's about adaptation, slow living, and living in harmony with your environment. The ocean quahog clam doesn't rush through life. It takes its time, and in return, it gets to live for over half a millennium. We often think of humans as the most advanced species on Earth, but when it comes to living a long life, we're outmatched by countless creatures in the natural world. Ming the clam lived through more history than any human ever could, and it did so without any technology, medicine, or modern comforts. It has a powerful reminder of the resilience and wonder of the natural world. Every time we explore the oceans, we find new species, new behaviors, and new secrets that challenge our understanding of life. So, to answer the two big questions we started with, what is the world's longest-lived animal? The ocean quahog clam, specifically Ming the clam, holds the record at 507 years old. Can any animal live for more than 500 years? Absolutely, the ocean quahog clam proves that 500 years is not just possible. It has a natural part of life for this amazing sea creature. The Greenland shark also comes close, with some individuals likely living past 500 years as well. The natural world is full of these incredible stories, and every animal has a unique role to play in the web of life. From the tiny clam that lives for centuries to the giant tortoise that roams the Galapagos Islands, each creature teaches us something new about survival, resilience, and the beauty of life on Earth. We're lucky to share this planet with these extraordinary, long-lived animals, and it's our job to protect their habitats so they can continue to thrive for centuries to come. As we wrap up today, journey into the world of the longest-lived animals, I hope you're as amazed as I am by Ming the clam and the other creatures that push the limits of life. The ocean holds so many mysteries, and we're only just scratching the surface. There are surely more long-lived animals waiting to be discovered, more secrets of aging waiting to be unlocked, and more incredible stories waiting to be told. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel.